Enterprises wants to get rid of licensing cost. Oracle is overly expensive in comparison to other open-source relational databases. Licensing cost of Oracle is much high when relate to managing the databases. That is why enterprises are adapting to migrate their closed-source database workload to an open-source database. Being an open-source solution and service provider, Click2Cloud's cloudsbrain facilitates database migration services that are easily available for public cloud providers and helps to prevent vendor lock-ins. cloudsbrain, with its countable add-ons, countless extensions, and as an open-source database migration service provider, provides highly customizable services as compared to other such service providers. Click2Cloud is an early collaborator and contributor with OpenGauss. Hence, we help you with assess, migrate, and connect database applications from Oracle to OpenGauss via cloudsbrain is secure, fast, authentic without the need of any programming from the user. OpenGauss as a database provides multi-language support, scalability, application programming, authentication, extensibility, localization, high performance, and security to the data. OpenGauss is an open-source relational database platform that comes with zero licensing cost, hence provides high security and better performance to migrate database. Click2Cloud partnership with OpenGauss leads end users to perform migration with few clicks and without any modification in the code. cloudsbrain, a multi-cloud platform, helps end users with multiple open-source relational databases migration needs. cloudsbrain helps you migrate from Oracle to other open-source database, be it OpenGauss, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB, MariaDB, SQLite, and many more that benefits you with assessment report, performance testing, high security, cost management and easy source-to-destination migration. User can perform migration through cloudsbrain from enterprise-level databases like Oracle to an open-source database within 3 simple steps like assessment, migration, and application connection. Few clicks. You can start migration by selecting Oracle as source and any open-source database as destination, which can be an on-premise or a cloud database. User can also download the log files, export the PDF, and filter the database type as per their requirements. Soon we will launch a feature in cloudsbrain with which you can migrate your workload to OpenGauss deployed in Huawei Cloud. For more updates on database modernization, stay tuned with Click2Cloud.com. Thank you.